Hello and welcome to yet another video which is on William Shakespeare, the world renowned dramatist. Shakespeare's life period was from 1564 to 1616. Shakespeare was born in Stratford upon Avon as the son of John Shakespeare. He lived during the reign of Queen Elizabeth I, the period which is known as the Elizabethan period. He is known as the Bard of Avon and he produced most of his works between 1589 and 1613. And he wrote 39 plays, which includes comedies, tragedies, tragicomedies, history plays, and also 154 sonnets and narrative poems. Shakespeare's plays were published as First Folio. First Folio, it is titled Mr. William Shakespeare's Comedies, Histories and Tragedies. It was published in 1623. It was commonly known as First Folio, published in 1623, and was prepared by Shakespeare's colleagues John Hemming and Henry Conte. And Shakespeare's sonnets were first published in a quarto in 1609 by Thomas Thorpe. Shakespeare was the part owner of a playing company called the Lord Chamberlain's Men. This Lord Chamberlain's Men was one of the most popular acting companies in London, which was founded in 1594 during the reign of Queen Elizabeth I of England. When King James I ascended the throne and became the company's patron, it became the King's Men in 1603. The plays of William Shakespeare have a permanent hold on the human mind. The characters, the plays itself they have a permanent hold on the human mind. His major plays include The Comedy of Errors, Two Gentlemen of Verona, Titus Andronicus, A Midsummer Night's Dream, Love's Labour's Lost, Romeo and Juliet. The great tragedies, Hamlet, Othello, Macbeth and King Lear. They are classified as the great tragedies of Shakespeare. Then comedies, which include Much Ado About Nothing, The Merchant of Venice, As You Like It, Love's Labour's Lost, Two Gentlemen of Verona. Then the Roman plays, Antony and Cleopatra, Coriolanus. History plays like Richard II, Henry IV, Henry V. Then Richard III, Henry VIII, King John, all these are his very popular plays. And when we analyze his plays, we can find the entire human nature portrayed in his characters. Then about his sonnets, he was an outstanding sonnet writer. He wrote 154 sonnets. The first 126 sonnets were addressed to a handsome youth known as W.H. Then the next 26 to a dark lady. And the last two sonnets were conventional poems. As I said earlier, these sonnets were published by Thomas Thorpe in 1609 in quarto form. The 1609 text is dedicated to one Mr. W.H., who is described as the only begetter of the poems. Mr. W.H. is considered to be the Earl of Wriothesley, the Earl of Southampton, or William Herbert, the third Earl of Pembroke. A recurring theme in Shakespeare's sonnets is the immortality of poetic fancy, friendship, and also love. Love, friendship, and affection are the major themes found in Shakespeare's sonnets. Shakespearean sonnet is also known as English sonnet because of its greatest practitioner, William Shakespeare. The sonnet falls into three quatrains and a concluding couplet. And the rhyme scheme is A B A B, C D C D, E F E F, G G.